Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well. We'll start our new discussion based on the practical approach. The prerequisite of today's lecture is a basic concept 1, 2 and 3. That is already uploaded previous 3 videos. Please watch if you are not familiar with those things. Target of this lecture is to get familiar with the C language. Understanding will be clear when the theory meets practical. We'll cover basic concept theory with practical implementation from this video onwards. The problem statement is we need to write a program which will display a message that is coding practice. The solution tips are given below. First, we need a compiler. Here, we are using dev C++ compiler to write our program. Number 2, in this program, we are printing a simple message. Actually, this message is a string. See, it is encoded in double quote. Third, we need the printf function to print the message. Please watch basic concept video lectures if you are not familiar with the printf function already. The details is discussed in there. Fourth, a question arises is how to write and where to write the printf function. The answer is it is in the main function body. Thus, we require a main function to write the entire code. Main is the entry point of the program. Fifth, another important thing is the header file. We need to include some necessary header files to support our writing. In this case, we are using only stdio.h header file because we are using only the printf function. Sixth, the body of the printf function is already written in stdio.h. By using hash include, we are including that library function which are written in the header files. Now let's write our program. We'll start writing our program with the hash include stdio.h. I hope you remember that our target is to print a simple message that is a coding practice. So we need the support of the header files to write our program. All programs will need the support of the header files because we are using some predefined function here. So stdio.h stands for standard input output header file. This header file is included in our program body. This is our program body. So hash include is including stdio.h header file to our program. Next line is the void main. Now what is this main? The main is the user defined function. I'm repeating once more. Main is the user defined function. It is not a library function. Main is user defined function. Main is the user defined function whose return type is void in this program. So it is void is written there. So main is a user defined function whose return type is written as void in this program. You can write also the int main. In that case, you need to mention return 0 if main is not, if is returning nothing. So void main is written here. We already know void is a data type. There is no range defined. This void is a data type and there is no range defined for the void, and void returns nothing. Please watch the basic concept lecture and find out the details of the data types. Next line is the opening curly bracket, and we start writing the body of the program. Since there is an opening curly bracket, there should be a closing curly bracket, else you face an error. So the entire body of the program is written in within the opening and closing curly brackets. So we can say opening and closing curly brackets define the body of the main function. Within this body, we write the printf function along with the given message as argument. Along with the given message as argument. So this is the argument and this is the given message. The message is coding practice. We want to show it is an output. It has an output. So as an argument, we are supplying this coding practice into the printf function. We are invoking that printf function in our program body. Once writing is complete, so this is the complete part of the program. There is nothing more is required because we need to only print that argument or the in the printf function. We need only to print that. So once writing is complete, we'll go for the execution. Before the execution, we need to compile it. So let's go for the compilation. Compile to check that whether is an error or not. See, there is no error in the program and there is no warning also. Warning is not important at this point. So there is no error in the program. We can go for the execution. So go for execution. That means the run. See, there is an output. Output is the coding practice. That is our desired result. Coding practice is the output. Try to write the same program in your computer. We'll come back with the more programming problem statements. Thank you.